Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to do the basic setting for this watch, Casio ABL-100, manually without smartphone. And yes, if you want to know more about this watch, you can check our review. I will put the link in the description. Okay, first, let's make sure we are in the timekeeping mode. It should look like this or like this, so it depends on your setting. This one shows the day, year, month, and date, and this one shows the steps tracker. And then below that is the hour, minute, and second. But if not, then you can press the mode button several times until it cycles through the modes. This one is timer, and then dual time, and then alarm, and then back to the timekeeping mode. You can also jump instantly to the timekeeping mode by press and hold the mode button until it gives double beep like this, and then release. Okay, now let's set the basic setting, and to do that, press and hold the adjust button on the top left. And we start with the setting on the step tracker reminder. If you want to activate the reminder, then press the search button. So it is on now, it's already active. But if you want to deactivate, press the search button also. So whichever you want, on or off. Okay, let me set as on now. And then press the mode button, and this one is the step tracker target. So you can use the light button and search button to change the number. Light button will decrease and search button will increase by 1000. Okay, now press the mode button and we are setting the second. For this one, if the second is 30 or more, you can reset using the search button and it will become 0 with additional minute like this. But if it is 29 or less, if you reset using the search button, it will become 0 without additional minute like this. Okay, now press the mode button and we are setting the hour. You can use the light button and search button to change the number or the value. Light button will decrease and the search button will increase. Okay, and then next, press the mode button and we are setting the minute. Also the same thing, these two buttons, the light button will decrease and the search button will increase. Okay, press again, and now is the time format. So this one is 24-hour format. If you press the search button, it will change to 12-hour format and vice versa. So let me set as 24-hour format for now. And then press the mode button, and now we are setting the year. Also similar, you can use these two buttons. The light button will decrease and the search button will increase. So it's like counterclockwise and clockwise. Okay, press the mode button and now is the month. Also the same thing, light button will decrease and search button will increase. Okay, next mode button and now is the date. Also the same thing, light button will decrease and search button will increase. And then press again the mode button, and now is the setting for the key tone, or this one is the watch is not in silent mode, but if you want to activate the silent mode, then press the search button. So now it is in silent button operation, meaning that the button will not give beeping sound, but still for the alarm, timer, and then signal, it will still give beeping sound. Okay, let me activate the key tone, so not mute for now. And then press again the mode button, and now we are setting the length of the backlight, the afterglow effect. So this one is 3 seconds, and you can change using the search button. So this one meaning 1.5 seconds. Let me set as 3 seconds. Okay, and then press the mode button, and now we are setting the power saving. If you want to activate or deactivate, use the search button. So this one is already on and this one is off. So let me activate, and then next press the mode button and we're back to the setting of the step tracker reminder. And if you're done with the settings, you can press the adjust button to exit, and done. That's all for the basic settings for this watch, Casio ABL-100, manually without smartphone. I will also make a more detailed tutorial, so don't forget to click like, subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.